Have you ever looked this close in the mirror and felt your stomach drop? Those dark little dots on your nose aren't dirt, they're not bad hygiene, and they are absolutely not your fault. Tonight, I'm going to show you exactly what's underneath your skin and exactly how to clear it. Stay with me until the end. You'll never look at your pores the same way again. I know what it's like to stand in front of the mirror at 11 p.m., squeezing, picking, hoping something will just disappear. You've tried the pore strips. You've tried the scrubs that promised instant results. Let's clear up two things people get wrong constantly. Blackheads are not dirt sitting on top of your skin. They're oil and dead skin cells trapped inside the pore that turn dark when they oxidize when they meet air. That's it. That's the whole science. And myth number 2, those tiny gray dots covering your whole nose. For most people, that's not even blackheads. That's something called sebaceous filaments. They're a completely normal part of your skin. Everyone has them, even people with perfect skin on Instagram. So scrubbing harder isn't the answer. It never was. It just made things worse, and I'm sorry no one told you that sooner. The Shrelucil Core Mutine Morning Mutine. In the morning, your skin doesn't need much. It needs protection, not punishment. Step 1. Gentle Cleanse A Mild Sulfate-Free Cleanser. Something like Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser works beautifully here. Just enough to remove overnight oil without stripping your barrier. Lukewarm water only. Hot water breaks down the oils holding your skin together. Step 2. Lightweight hydration and niacinamide serum, around 5 to 10%. Minimalist and the Derma Co. both make accessible versions. Niacinamide calms redness and slowly regulates oil production over time. It doesn't fight your skin, it works with it. Step 3. Sunscreen. Always this is the step people skip and the step that matters most. SPF 50 broad spectrum. In Karachi's sun, in Delhi's summer haze, in Mumbai's humidity, unprotected skin doesn't just tan, it re-triggers the exact dark marks you're trying to heal. Evening Mutine evenings are where the real repair happens. Step 1. Double cleanse first, an oil-based cleanser to dissolve sunscreen and pollution. Then your gentle foam cleanser. This isn't extra, it's the difference between skin that's actually clean and skin that only looks clean. Step 2. Targeted treatment, 3-4x per week, ABH salicylic acid, around 2%. This is the one ingredient that can actually travel inside the pore and dissolve what's trapped there. Apply on completely dry skin, thin layer, only on affected areas. Step 3. Barrier repair moisturizer, something with ceramides. Your barrier is what keeps irritation and infection out. And if you've been over-exfoliating, it needs rebuilding, not more actives. Weekly ritual once a week, a Multani midi mask, just 5 to 7 minutes, never left to crack completely dry. It gently draws out excess oil, without ripping at your skin the way a peel-off strip does. No pore strips. I know they're satisfying to watch. But they tear at the surface skin and leave the pore itself just as open as before. You're left with irritation and nothing solved. Lifestyle factors your products are only half the story. Pillowcase. Change it every 2 to 3 days. It collects oil, product residue, and bacteria that transfer straight back onto your face for 8 hours a night. Phone screen. It sits against your cheek carrying oil and bacteria from every surface it's touched all day. A quick wipe before calls makes a real difference. Hydration. Not as a magic fix, but because dehydrated skin overproduces oil to compensate, which can worsen congestion at the pore. Stress and sleep. Cortisol directly increases oil production. This is why breakouts cluster around exam season, deadlines, and hard weeks. Your skin is responding to your body, not betraying you. Realistic explanations, I want to be honest with you, because I'd rather you trust me than be disappointed. Real change takes 4 to 6 weeks of consistency. Not one good skincare night. Not one extraction video. Weeks. And in the first 2 to 3 weeks of a new active ingredient, you might see more bumps, not fewer. That's called purging. Your skin is bringing congestion to the surface faster than before. It's different from a reaction, which usually comes with burning, itching, or spreading redness. And please, don't stack 5 active ingredients hoping for faster results. Overexfoliated skin doesn't heal faster. It just gets more fragile, more reactive, more inflamed. Bonus tip, here's something almost nobody talks about: facial massage during cleansing. 60 seconds of gentle upward strokes while your cleanser is still on improves lymphatic drainage, reduces puffiness, and actually helps your other products absorb better afterward. It costs nothing. It takes 1 minute, and it's the steps most routines completely skip. Call to action if you try this routine. Give it the full 6 weeks before you judge it. Your skin has been through a lot. It deserves patience, not another quick fix.